Okay, scientists, we are here in Digital Science Notebook number 2. How do you use fossil fuels? So you're going to click on this link again. If for some reason it's not here, you probably marked it as complete. You can find it under assignments. And then if you go to like all assignments, it'll list all the assignments that you've ever done in here. And like if you hit completed or past due. So it's probably either incompleted or past. It's probably incompleted if you marked it as complete. So here you go, hit that, and it's going to take you back to the Engage page. So remember, we're going to be on the Explore page for this one, and we're going to be doing Explore page 1. So make sure the green bar is under Explore and that you're on page 1. This page is going to focus on coal. Coal is a type of fossil fuel. Extracted means how it's basically taken out of the earth. It's buried under the ground. So how do we extract coal? How do we get it out of the earth? And how do we use it? That is what this page is going to be focusing on. So please read all this interesting information. Watch this video here. Watch this, read all this, watch this video, read this. You do not need to click on this. It's an interesting article if you want to read it, but we're not, it's just a lot of like historical information about how we used coal. So if you're super interested, check it out. Otherwise, you can skip that. And then on this part, what you're going to be doing here is you're going to try and investigate a claim. All right, we're going to practice investigating claims, which is something scientists need to do. The Environmental Protection Agency, or the EPA, claims, they're making a claim that a local coal plant is polluting the surrounding area with mercury from coal that is burning. So when we burn coal, sometimes mercury, which is a poison, is released. The owners of the coal plant are claiming that the mercury in the surrounding area is natural and has nothing to do with their operation. And this is like a real life scenario. This happens a lot. So the EPA is claiming that it's coming from the coal plant. The coal plant is claiming that it just naturally exists in the environment, which it does. So your goal is to classify each piece of data or evidence as useful for determining the truth or not. Okay. So you're going to be evaluating evidence here. So for each one, you need to read it and to decide whether it's useful information or the fact that it's irrelevant. Like that doesn't really matter one way or the other. Okay. So see how you do on this. It's going to be, I think it'll be fun and a little interesting. If you don't know something, that's okay. Just do your best. And when you're done, you hit submit. And head back into your digital science notebook and reflect on your learning target. Let me know if you have any questions.